Bullish Mana value forecast is $1.07 to $2.26. Decentraland cost could likewise reach $2 soon. Mana negative market cost expectation for 2022 is 66 cents. In Decentraland cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Mana to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Decentraland current market status. The cost of Decentraland is 69 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $96,800,141 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Mana has expanded almost 2.5% as of now. Besides, Decentraland has a coursing supply of 1,813,352,332 Mana. At present, Decentraland exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, Bybit, and LBank. What is Decentraland? Decentraland is the local badge of Decentraland, a decentralized computer-generated experience stage. Mana was sent off in 2017 as an ERC20 token. Clients buy different in-game resources utilizing Mana. They additionally get casting a ballot rights by holding Decentraland tokens. Decentraland sends two distinct tokens, Mana and Land. Mana fills in as the administration token and advanced money of the venture. Land are the local non-fungible tokens that address the plots of the metaverse. The special elements of Decentraland convinced famous brands to introduction to the metaverse. Beginning from Samsung to JP Morgan, they laid out their ventures in Decentraland. Curiously, crypto lovers from Arizona embraced Decentraland to organize their first metaverse marriage. Decentraland value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Decentraland spread out the flat channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern. By and large, the flat channel is shaped during the cost combination. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run on a level plane equal and the cost activity is held inside it. An even channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in combination. At present, Decentraland is in the scope of 69 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of Mana could arrive at the opposition levels of 87 cents, $1.12 and $2.19. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of Mana might tumble to 68 cents. The graphs show that Decentraland has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Mana could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $2.26. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Decentraland could dive to nearly 66 cents, a negative sign. Decentraland value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Decentraland is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Mana lies beneath the end line, showing more fragile members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Decentraland is displayed in the diagram above. As of now, Mana is in a negative state. Eminently, Decentraland cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Mana whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the Mana is 42.26. This implies that Decentraland is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Mana might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Decentraland value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Decentraland. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Decentraland. At present, ADX of Mana lies in the scope of 39.3044, so it shows areas of strength for it. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall unpredictability file of Decentraland. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Mana lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Decentraland is at 42.26, in this way affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Mana with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Decentraland. From the above outline, we can decipher the value changes of BTC, ETH, and Mana are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Mana additionally increment or reduction separately. Decentraland value forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Decentraland could likely accomplish $4 by 2023. Decentraland value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Decentraland could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Mana could mobilize to hit $6 by 2024. Decentraland value expectation 2025. If Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Mana would mobilize to hit $8. Decentraland value expectation 2026. If Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Mana would energize to hit $10. Decentraland value expectation 2027. If Decentraland supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Mana would mobilize to hit $12. Decentraland value expectation 2028. In spite of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, if Decentraland holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could drive huge cost rallies. Subsequently, by 2028, Mana would hit $14. Decentraland value forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Decentraland, it would observe significant spikes. Mana could hit $16 by 2029. Decentraland value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Decentraland environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Mana for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Decentraland could hit $18 by 2030. And, with persistent enhancements in the Decentraland organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Mana. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Decentraland in 2022 is $2.26. Then again, the negative value expectation of Decentraland cost forecast for 2022 is 66 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Decentraland environment, the exhibition of Mana would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $5.85 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $2 in the event that the financial backers accept that Mana is a wise interest in 2022. What is Decentraland? Mana is the local digital currency of Decentraland, a blockchain-based metaverse. Decentraland was sent off in 2017. Clients can buy and exchange resources the Decentraland environment utilizing Mana. 2. Where could you at any point buy Decentraland? Decentraland has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, Bybit, and LBank. 3. Will Decentraland come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Decentraland stage, Mana has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Decentraland? On November 25, 2021, Decentraland arrived at its new all-time high of $5.85. 5. Is Decentraland a wise interest in 2022? Decentraland is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Decentraland in the beyond couple of months, Mana is viewed as